With the Great Barrier Reef under stress from a range of factors, clearly a more interventionist approach is required beyond simple monitoring and research. For the past 20 years, Blue Planet Marine has worked with project partners and research institutions to better understand the complexities of this giant organism, in particular studying the marine megafauna such as whales, dolphins, turtles and dugong calling the barrier reef home. However, recent disturbing changes leading to mass bleaching and the destruction of corals due to crown-of-thorns starfish and water quality issues has led to a broadening focus for the company. BPM now has marine assets and personnel ready to provide technical and specialist analysis and logistical marine support to reef and island restoration, rehabilitation and resilience projects. BPM was contacted early in 2020 by Dr. Daniel Harrison of Southern Cross University, who is collaborating with the Sydney Institute of Marine Science to field test cloud brightening technology in a real-world situation on reefs to the east of Townsville. With logistical support provided by the Australian Institute of Marine Science, the cloud brightening research is seen as a scalable mitigation strategy in the fight to save reefs and an early mover in the RAP program, which stands for Reef Restoration and Adaptation Program. Coincidentally, these same reefs had just been hit by a major coral bleaching event only the month prior to field work. Owner Dave Payton recently acquired a 12-metre barge named Spoonbill, which was previously used by national parks in Moreton Bay. This added a manoeuvrable and high-speed little workhorse to his vessel fleet, and would be the perfect aid to undertake the downstream transects and particle distribution monitoring required for the project. With the aid of a machine capable of spraying highly pressurised seawater from the back of a large, stable vessel, testing commenced off Cape Cleveland before heading out to Davey Reef, around 50 nautical miles off Townsville. Researchers were delighted to see theories playing out in reality, as tiny nanoparticles aided by atmospheric conditions go on to stimulate clouds that sit around 1 kilometre above sea surface. A cumulative effect gives these minute salt particles the ability to seed clouds and cause brightening at a rate disproportionate to the energy used to atomise the seawater in the first place. This means when scaling up becomes viable following further tests, the amount of power and technology required can have a 1,000-fold influence on cloud brightening and a material impact on reducing water temperatures impacting shallow coral reefs. The technology will be further refined over the next 12 months before more fieldwork commences. Blue Planet Marine has high hopes of supporting this and other cutting-edge techniques to help the reef. With the Great Barrier Reef Foundation throwing funding support behind some of the more innovative ideas and the RAP program amping up, it is a great time to be a marine logistics company capable of supporting these fantastic initiatives.